We're in fall, which is my birthday season, so you know, let's bring it together. Oh, we're not in fall yet. We're still in summer because I'm like sweating bullets. But this gonna be for September and October, November. That's the months you're gonna use this palette in for sure. That's what I'm gonna use, and I'm about to break this palette down to its last leg. Okay. What's good, YouTube? It's your girl Goddie Beauty, and I'm back with another video, okay? And as you can see, I've got tape on my arms this time because I'm doing a swatch video. So I recently just got a new palette from Morphe. Talkin Flirty 18F palette. I am in love. I've been digging in it for days, getting used to it and enjoying it. It's fantastic. I don't know how old this palette is because I only got it for $9, but for $9 I got bang for my buck, let me tell you. Bougie on butt. You guys, these colors are so pretty. You can wear them in spring, fall, summer. I wouldn't wear these in the winter though, not the winter. And as you can see, I already did a look at this color. I don't know what's wrong with me, but I'm just getting more into what I like when it comes to my makeup routine and style. So I'm really feeling this palette. I don't care if people have already bought this palette years ago. They probably did, and it was just on sale. But for me, it's new because I've never used it before, and it was $9. So, and I think it originally retailed for $18, so I only got $9 off. That is a steal. Okay. I'm basically gonna swatch all these colors for you guys. Okay, I've already put on this tape because it took forever. Look at the tape, y'all. Oh, it's kind of coming off on this one because I told y'all I'm hot. I have also brought my NARS smudge proof not concealer, eyeshadow base. We're gonna go ahead and get into it. I'm gonna read you guys off the colors as I go. They have the colors on here. So, I'll just read them to you as they go. Yeah, that's perfect. So, I'm gonna go ahead and let me add this to all the places I need to swatch. All right, guys, I have gone ahead and added my smudge proof eyeshadow base to this arm so that all the colors can actually show the way they're gonna show on my lids when I actually put the colors. I've already used let's see what color this is. I'm single, even though I'm not single, but still, I loved it. It's my favorite one out of the whole group. It looks so good on me, I have to say. It looks yummy. So this first one we're gonna go in, this is Drop a Hint. Go in and just dip our finger up in there and swatch it. I've never swatched before, so give me a break. I think I'm doing it the way you're supposed to. You're supposed to like put the tape down, put the eyeshadow base. I mean, I didn't really get this from anybody. I know people use tape. They got to use tape. You cannot make these lines perfectly in these pictures without the tape, right? I'm gonna show you guys what it really looked like at the end. And don't worry, I got this little napkin here next to me so I can clean my fingers a little. I also have some somebody please correct me on that because I still know how to use it, but I've used pretty much the whole bottle. Excuse that little weave here. But yeah, I got a little of that on my napkin so that I can clean my finger as I go so I won't mix any of the colors and confuse you guys, okay? I'm not like that. I'm doing stuff all the way through, and I feel like this is the best way you can swatch. Put the tape down, put the eyeshadow base down, and then put the color on there against your skin so people can know what it's actually gonna look like against a skin color like yours. You wanna be efficient all the time. Next color we're gonna take is Subtle. It's kind of splotchy. I guess I probably didn't do it right, but whatever, it's my first swatch. I always wanted to swatch though, because I really like saying the names and the colors and stuff. They're so cute. The next one we're gonna do is Just Teasing. Just Teasing. This is kind of like a little shimmer, orangey, glitter, Dubai kind of color, like, huh? With a little brown in the corner. Ooh, that sounds hot. I'm about to do that. But we can also go in with that next one, which is Your Cute. Take your finger right in there. How you liking my nails? Actually, You're Cute is really cute. I think I kind of looked over it too. This is a really good color. I like it. Ooh, I like it. It's a lot darker than I thought it was going to come out to be, which would have been really cute mixed with that subtle color for sure. Go ahead and go in with that I'm Single, which is the one on my lid, my main color on my lid. So I'm Single. Yes, baby. This color is definitely my, look at that. That's my favorite. You gotta drag it, I think. Drag that. These are probably gonna look like way better when I actually put them on because I'm digging in them and getting them all prepped and ready to be stuck into, because you got to kind of get those colors ready and loosed up. I do that a lot. I always thought I was crazy, but then I saw Harush do it, this celebrity makeup artist and YouTuber. She is amazing. First of all, Harush is amazing. And she was like, you just got to kind of like dig in there a little bit and get it started. I was like, ah, yes, I knew I wasn't tripping. Next color. Here's my number. This color really reminds me of Yzma from The Emperor's New Groove. I love that movie. Okay, look at me wearing purple. Yzma in the house. I really want to be Yzma for Halloween. I ain't even finna front on that one. I've been wanting to be here for Halloween for like the last 2 or 3 years. And I think this year I'm gonna have to do it because I'm staying home anyways. I ain't got to rush to go nowhere, so I'll have all day to do my look. And the next color we're gonna dig into is Into You. Oh yes, and it came out so good, y'all. This is a bomb color. Yes, Into You. I'm into you. We're going to go into Charming. Charming would be this like pink, it looks like a pinkish brown. They're trying to dig in it. I can't really, oh, okay, there you go. My nail had to help. Sorry for the noise, y'all. My baby just got home from work, so you know, the dog's going crazy. Oh, that's like this is like a holographic pink right here. Yes. I'm feeling that one. Oh, I gotta use that. What is this? Cheeky. So it's this brighter pink, kind of more matte pink. Ooh, I like that. Like a pastel pink. Oh, word. I'm gonna have to use this one, like the purple one. Yes, you guys. Yes. Look at my arm. It's so cute. I'm gonna go ahead, prep this arm up with the eyeshadow base, and we'll be right back. So stay tuned for some Goddie beauty swatches. All right, all right, all right. You better stay. You gonna be here? All right, cool, cool, cool. All right, y'all, I'm back, and I have gotten my right, yeah, this is my right arm. My right arm ready to be swatched for the next 9 colors. Next color is gonna be Got Moves. This is actually one of the colors I used for this look today. It looked good. I did good today. Woo, that came on good. It went on there better than it went on my eyes. I'm gonna just keep it real. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah. Now, you guys, let me just say this. This is really fun. This is really, ooh, the next name is cute. I like this name. Okay, Morphe. This is Scando. I ain't said that since like 10th grade. You Scando. Okay, it's cute though. It's cute. This is a really cute, like, dark color. I would wear this like for a Halloween type of thing. This is giving me like Ursula Little Mermaid vibes. You feel me? And the next color is gonna be this pretty shimmery purple here, which is called Starving. Starring? Starring. Oh, I'm hungry because I read Starving. Not okay. And you guys, just an FYI about the glitter colors and the shimmers, you can always make them more pigmented by using, what is that called? Your glitter primer. So don't forget that, okay? I think I put a little bit on our Swatch, but look at that. It's like a pretty goldish color. This is giving me Laker vibes. So this one is Sweet Talk. Okay. But you know what I really want to say? Kitty Talk. Since they changed the name for the kids. What Carisha has said, she did that for TikTok and the kids. Period. Oh my God, this is so cute. The Sweet Talk. Oh, I just dropped the whole palette, y'all. But woo wee. Look, blew the palette right out my lap. Goddamn. Next on the swatch list. is this pretty brown called Chance It. I'm feeling that. It do look like Chance the Rapper, don't it? It do. I like that brown. I would use that on a regular day when I ain't doing nada. I definitely would have to pack that on more. Maybe use a concealer to stick it, because I don't think this this eyeshadow base is going to really kick it up a notch. And that we're going to go in with the next color. And this is called Lock Eyes. I use that one too as well. You can see it in my look if you really, really look. Or you can always look at my Instagram, at my pictures on Instagram, and like them and follow me, you know. Also subscribe to my YouTube, you know, before you even get off this video. I mean, what are you doing right now? Why are you not subscribing? I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna just wait right here. I'm gonna just not swatch these last 4 colors until you subscribe. Are you subscribed yet? Because I'm getting impatient and I'm hungry. You subscribe? Did you at least like it? I mean, did you at least leave a comment? Did you share it? Somebody else might want to watch this and you're withholding all this good information from your good friends. Get it together. Get it together. Hey, YouTube family, what's wrong with y'all? Come on, let's get back into this, okay? Because I'm getting tired. I'm getting real sick and tired. That sounded like my mom when I said that. I had to. It's Lock Eyes, okay? Because I gotta lock these eyes on this watch, okay? And when you put this all your eyes, it's gonna lock eyes, and you gonna get you a man's or woman's, and you can be walking around like, oh, it's my baby, it's my baby, it's my baby. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? That's how I do it. You know, I like to get dressed up. You know, walk around my baby. She be like, this my girl. I'll be like, that's be hecka juice. Y'all understand, it's nice to be in a relationship with somebody don't hide you all the time and don't cheat on you and don't lie to you. It feels really good. Just saying. I'm hungry. Ooh, Lock Eyes. You guys, like, okay, my arm's not that proportionate, so, you know. Next! It's gonna be Kiss and Tell. Ooh, yes! That's what I'm talking about. That's cute. It's super burgundy, like, it's like perfect. It got a little silver tint in there. Yeah, these last 3 colors I could definitely use together. Ooh, I like it. I like it. Ooh, it's like a shiny grape. Like the red grapes. And then you gotta pick out the ones that's only hard, because then they're not gonna be perfect no more. Look at that. That is really pretty. And that is, again, Kiss and Tell. Okay, she definitely kissing and telling everybody, because this is popping. Okay, it's out there. Now we are at the last 2. Okay, Breaking Hearts. I really like that. That's cute. Now you shouldn't be out here breaking people's hearts, but if you're gonna do it, at least be honest in the end. You guys. Okay, stop playing with me. So you need to tell me that Breaking Hearts and Kiss and Tell ain't gonna be, I gotta do a look for that. This is so cute. Oh my God. This is so, I like this palette. I'm glad I chose it. The next one is Smirk. Ooh, Smirk. I was already digging in it because it's so dark. Like, I just had to, look at that. Look how dark that is. It looks just like it did when it came off the palette. This, I feel like the beginning of the Lion King right now with this color on my arm. Sorry, my whole palette is up. Everything's all up, but I have really long arms, long fingers, all that stuff. And I'm just trying to show you guys the whole thing as I swatch it. And go. Now, I'm gonna take off these tapes and I'm gonna show you what they look like without the tape. Ooh, I'll be right back. My genie in a bottle, baby. Or is this, what is this? No, spirit fingers. Wait, prepare for total domination. Domination. Dun, 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 dun. Are you ready for this? Dun, 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 dun. If you ain't seen Bring It On, you need to tune in. Get a clue, baby, because you're missing out. And you gonna get down. So cute. So much. So much. Oh, sorry, I'm moving everything. I'm like flailing everywhere, but this was a really fun video for me. I really liked it. I was super pumped, super excited. The colors look, I'm about to fall out my chair. The colors look amazing. Okay, do you guys not see this? This is art, okay? Makeup art. Not everyone may understand it, but you who's watching and found this interesting did. And that's all that matters to me. You guys, I want to thank you for hanging in there with me, hanging out through my first swatch video. And thank you so much for tuning in yet again. And if this is your first time here, hey friend, what's up? Okay. Hi, welcome to the YouTube family. I'm Goddie Beauty. Hi, I'm your friend. Okay, we friends here. All right, we're not stalkers. We're not crazy. We're not like everybody else in the whole wide world. We're just in our little bubble right here. Okay, give me a hug. I'm sorry, y'all, but I'm so happy and so excited to swatch my first swatch, and I think I did pretty dang good. And I'm happy I get to share this experience with you guys instead of doing it in private like I've always done. This is about to be video number 5. And I'm so happy for myself because I finally just continued to do something. And I don't care how many views I have on it. I don't care who doesn't share it, who don't like it, who doesn't support it. All that matters is whoever watched this video gave me their support when they sat there and watched this video. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you for liking it. Thank you for sharing it. Thank you for commenting on it. Thank you for even praying for me. If I don't know you prayed for me, thank you. So I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for joining me. Bye.